Bollywood star Hrithik Roshan showcased his coolest father trait while enjoying a bike ride with his sons on Thursday. The Kabil actor, who is often seen spending quality time with his son Hrehaan Roshan and Hridaan Roshan, is famous as one of the most doting dads among all the Bollywood fathers. Taking it to his social media handles, the 47-year-old star posted a clip of himself cycling and with his sons. In the video, Roshan is seen sporting his super luxuries John Hatter cap with the tag "The King" and his dashing jet black sunglasses. Alongside the clip that accumulated more than 4 lakhs views within a few minutes only of being posted on Instagram, the actor wrote #DaddyCool. His war co-star Tiger Shroff dropped smiling and fire emojis in the comment section.
That shit.